everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya Khanna and today I have created this green glittery cut crease eye makeup look for you all, and I really love how this look came out. I am also wearing some jewelry pieces which is going perfectly with this look. This video is in collaboration with EKAIKA. EKAIKA is a brand under which you can find wide range of handmade accessories like finger rings, earrings, necklaces. All these accessories are very unique and stylish, as you can see here. So do check out their Instagram page and their website. I'll put the link in the description box. So let's get straight into the video. Here I've already done with my base, priming, contouring, foundation, everything, and even I have my contacts on. These are blue in color and I am directly heading to my eyebrows. For that I am taking my eyebrow drawing palette from Glittery, mixing grey and brown with the help of an angular brush, tapping off the excess, and I am filling the sparse areas of my eyebrows, creating a nice pointed shape, making hair-like strokes on the front part, and then I am going to brush it with the help of spoolie to make it look more blended and even. Next I am going to apply tape here, leaving little space from the lower lash line, and from my reloaded Passion for Color Revolution palette I am taking out this shade and applying it as a transition shade above my crease line, blending it really well in wind shade viber motion. Now I am placing grey shade on my crease line. I took this shade from my eyebrow drawing palette and blending it really well so that there are no harsh edges. It will make my eye look more intense. Next I am gonna apply this liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty on my eyelids, creating a neat and clean crease where I want. It will make my eyeshadow color pop. Now I am dabbing the concealer with the help of my flat brush. Always dab the concealer with the help of a brush and don't blend it harshly. Dabbing helps you to get rid of any creasing of the eyeshadow as well as of the concealer. Applying little bit more on the outer V of my eyes and also creating a nice curvy wing. Next I am taking this green eye shade from the same palette and applying it over my concealer with the help of a flat brush. You can also apply this kind of metallic shades with the help of your fingers. This is how my eyes are looking now. And now I am taking out this shade and applying it on my lower lash line. I am also applying this green metallic shade on my lower lash line to match it with my eyelids and blending it well to get rid of any harsh edges. Now I am taking this black shade from my eyebrow drawing palette and with the help of a round and fluffy brush and placing it on the outer V of my eyes. This tape will help you to create a perfect wing, and whatever is left on the brush I am dragging it towards the inner part of my eyes, and this will add some more dimension. Darker colors need more blending, so blend, blend and blend to get a perfect and even look. Now I am taking this Midnight Sparkle palette from Swiss Beauty. It has some beautiful pressed glitters. I am taking this sea green shade and with the help of my finger I am applying it all over my eyelids. The best thing of pressed glitters is that you don't need to buy glue to stick it on your eyelids. You can easily apply it with the help of your fingers. Now I'm gonna take this green eyeliner from the Fashion Factory. It has a very nice sketch pen like brush which makes it easier to apply it on your eyelids. And I'm creating a thin, neat and clean line on my crease line with my steady hands, creating a beautiful curve or a wing from the outer part of my eyelids. Eyeliner I am going to apply is from LA18 and creating a thin eyeliner because I surely don't want to hide the glitters. Winging it out from the inner corners as well to make my eye look more elongated. Kajal is from Faces, applying it on my lower waterline. Curling out my lashes. Applying falsies off camera. And it's mascara time. Applying this mascara from Liboni on both my upper and lower lashes. And now it's time to remove the tape. Now you can see how beautifully neat and clean the eye look has came out. This is liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty. I have applied it on my under eyes. And this is my new beauty blender. Earlier I have been using this pink one, but this thing is done by my little baby, so surely I need to buy some new one, and I got it. I love the quality of this beauty blender. This is so soft and blends everything perfectly. This is my new golden highlighter. This one is Miracle from In Color. And now I finally have a good stock of highlighters. And I'm going to swatch it for you all to show you how pigmented, shiny and glowy this is. And with the help of a flat brush, I'm placing it on my brow bone and my inner corners to make my eye look more awake. Next is this half and half creamy stick blush. And I'm gonna blend it using my fingers. This is one of my favorite blushers as it gives a very natural peachy pink glow to my face. My new fan brush. And I'm going to highlight the high points of my face to make my face look more glowy, shiny and healthy. Especially on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead and my chin. Lipstick I'm gonna apply is from Swiss Beauty. This is 209 Pink Blossom. This is a really beautiful shade and goes with every outfit and every look. I'm also highlighting my Cupid's bow and placing little bit on my lips as well to make my lips look more metallic, and I love it. Completing my look with these beautiful earrings. You can wear it with both traditional outfits and western outfits. So this is the beautiful and classy ring that I bought from EKAIKA. You can also adjust it according to the size of your finger. And this completes my look. Time to pose. I really enjoy creating this kind of videos for you all, and I hope you enjoy watching it too. And if you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Tanya Khanna. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, love yourself, be beautiful, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.